Hello and welcome to Brian's Awareness. I am your host Brian, and on this show we're going to talk about narcotic drug abuse. Narcotic drugs are what people call the illegal kinds of drugs you can often go to jail for, unlike prescription drugs who you can also go to jail for prescription drug abuse. But narcotic drugs are more dangerous than prescription drugs. The illegal kinds of drugs include marijuana, cocaine, heroin, crack, and methamphetamines. These kind of drugs, when they're abused by people persistently, they can often kill over time. And people often get arrested for just being in possession of these kinds of drugs. Now, these kind of drugs, they can impair judgment, they can interfere with your motor skills, especially when you're driving, interfere with you try to make decisions on whether it's a yes or no question, and they can also cause parts of the human body to not function correctly. And these kind of illegal drugs have a street value of a lot of money out of pocket. And then at sporting events and in pre-employment sessions before people start on working to a job, they often take random drug tests to make sure they don't test positive for these kind of illegal drugs. And if they test positive for having these drugs in their systems, they can get in trouble, and especially they can end up going to jail if they just test positive for drugs. And people can, and if they have a drug problem, it's not too late, because you can go to Narcotics Anonymous or go to any drug treatment programs that can help you get clean and stay away and make better decisions and resist the drugs. And we can all avoid narcotic drug abuse if we can just say no to drugs. There are also public service announcements on TV that can tell people about how bad illegal drugs are and how they hurt the body. Once again, we can all say no. That's all for this show. Like or subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you next show.